Welcome to ReneEnergy.com on YouTube, the hub for all things renewable energy and sustainability. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest innovations and insights in green energy, including cutting-edge developments like green hydrogen. Whether you're a sustainability veteran or just beginning your journey, we have something for everyone. Join us on this channel to explore inspiring projects for a sustainable tomorrow. We bring you the latest in renewable energy, sustainability, and cutting-edge technologies. And don't forget, for more in-depth information and resources, visit our website and subscribe to our newsletter for the latest updates and exclusive content. Ventum Dynamics stands at the forefront of renewable energy innovation, specifically in urban wind turbine technology. Their mission is to seamlessly integrate sustainable energy solutions into urban environments, leading to the development of unique, omnidirectional wind turbines. These models are designed for urban settings, focusing on energy efficiency, aesthetic integration, and minimal noise pollution. This approach is transformative, offering a solution that aligns with the architectural and social fabric of cityscapes. The turbines are compact and location-friendly, ensuring minimal visual and auditory impact. Their introduction into the market signifies a major shift in how cities can approach renewable energy, making it a foundational element of urban development rather than an afterthought. Engineering excellence and design innovation. The engineering prowess behind Ventum Dynamics wind turbines is evident in their innovative design. Operating on advanced aerodynamics, these turbines capture wind from all directions, eliminating the need for rotation to track wind direction. This omnidirectional capability, a stark contrast to traditional propeller-style turbines, significantly reduces mechanical complexity and maintenance requirements. Ventum Dynamics integrates cutting-edge materials and technologies to maximize efficiency and durability. The turbines use high-performance, sustainable materials, reflecting the company's commitment to environmental responsibility and aligning with global sustainability goals. Operational efficiency and noise reduction. A critical achievement of Ventum Dynamics is the remarkable quietness of their turbines. Designed to operate with minimal sound, they are ideal for densely populated urban areas where noise pollution is a concern. These turbines are engineered to be efficient even at low wind speeds, common in urban environments, ensuring consistent energy generation. The combination of high efficiency and low noise levels sets Ventum Dynamics apart in the renewable energy market, making their turbines a viable option for a wide range of urban applications, from residential buildings to commercial complexes. The impact of Ventum Dynamics on the environment. The environmental impact of Ventum Dynamics turbines is profound. Providing a sustainable, clean energy source, these turbines significantly reduce carbon emissions, contributing to the fight against climate change. Ventum's vision extends to reshaping urban renewable energy use. Their approach encourages the integration of sustainable practices into urban planning, promoting a future where renewable energy is a foundational element. The company's commitment is also evident in their use of recycled and eco-friendly materials, further minimizing the environmental footprint of their products. Case studies and future prospects. Ventum Dynamics' expansion into the UK market with their pilot project marked a significant milestone. This project demonstrated the adaptability of their turbines in various environments, from industrial settings to public locations. For example, Fresh Link Limited in Spalding installed these turbines to complement their existing solar array, demonstrating the synergistic potential of combining wind and solar power. The success of these pilot installations showcases the practicality and effectiveness of Ventum's technology in real-world scenarios. As Ventum Dynamics continues to innovate and expand, their turbines are set to become a key component in the urban renewable energy landscape, leading the charge towards a more sustainable future. Thanks for tuning into the ReneEnergy.com YouTube channel. We trust you found this episode enlightening and motivating. There's a world of innovation and opportunity in sustainable energy, and we're delighted to share this journey with you. Stay in the loop with the latest on renewable energy and sustainability by visiting our website and subscribing to our newsletter. Your support is immensely appreciated, it's truly invaluable to us. Don't miss our next video on new trends in renewable energy. Follow us on social media for the latest updates. Enjoyed the video? Like, subscribe, and share for more green insights. Thanks for watching.